get yourself some cheap sunglasses. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Spied a little thing and I followed her all night in a funky fine Levi's and her sweater's kinda tight. She had a West Coast strut that was sweet as molasses. Man, what really knocked me out was the cheap sunglasses. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, we're down here spending Christmas down here on the beach. Our Christmas is like we had our main Christmas with the kids this past weekend. This is wife and I's Christmas right here, and then we got a little bit more Christmas this weekend. So, being that today is Wednesday for Christmas, if you're watching this at a later Christmas. But this is our first Christmas down here on Crystal Beach. Usually this place is packed full of people. Like, if you ever been down here at Crystal Beach, you know, this place gets packed. But, so we may just start a tradition because we kind of like an empty beach. We just really do. It's a real popular beach. A lot of people from Houston come down here. A lot of people like us come down here for the weekend or what have you. And so we're just out here enjoying it. The rates are low. Like Airbnb rates are low because of the holiday. Hotel rooms are low because of the holiday. The rates. Because who wants to go to the beach on a Christmas? It's a little bit rainy and a little chilly. I'll do it. I'll do it. Yeah, so yeah, we may start a little tradition. Who knows? But decided to come down here and do this and enjoy it.